Now at T-Mobile, Ray-Ban Stories Wayfarer smart glasses. Iconic frames combined with modern smartphone features. With Ray-Ban Stories, you'll stay hands-free to capture, share, and listen, all while staying connected to the world around you. And best of all, they pair to your favorite phones, rockin' T-Mobile's nationwide network. Let's check them out. Ray-Ban Stories give you the power to capture a photo right as it's happening by long pressing the button on the top of the frame. Ray-Ban Stories also record up to 60 seconds of video per shot. If you're experiencing it, you can record it and share it, all from your point of view. Just press the button on the top of the frame to start recording, or you can even start recording using your voice assistant. The Ray-Ban Stories Wayfarer smart glasses come with 4 gigs of storage, which is roughly about 30-second videos or over 500 photos. They upload directly via the View app, which you can download from the App Store or from the Play Store, making it super simple to share what you've captured from your T-Mobile smartphone or tablet. You can even enjoy listening to music or your favorite podcast because Ray-Ban Stories are built with super sweet micro speakers. You can control the volume and playback with the touchpad on the right side temple. Need to jump on a call for work or let your family know you're on your way home? Ray-Ban Stories let you make phone calls via Bluetooth. You double tap the touchpad to answer calls, or you can use the built-in voice assistant to place a call, all without ever pulling out your phone. Charging your glasses is super easy. Just pop them into the hard-shelled charging case. The charging case is powered by a USB-C connection, and when fully charged, can give you up to 3 full charges for your smart glasses. The battery typically lasts about 6 hours, or if you're continually using your smart glasses, it'll last more like about 3 hours. Getting inside the box, we've got the Ray-Ban Stories Wayfarer smart glasses, a quick start guide, USB-C charging cable, cleaning cloth carrying bag, and hard-shell charging case. With Ray-Ban Stories Wayfarer smart glasses, you'll stay hands-free to capture, share, and listen, all while staying connected to the world around you. And like I said, best of all, they pair with your favorite phones rockin' T-Mobile's nationwide network. Go check out the new Ray-Ban Stories at your favorite T-Mobile store and online at tmobile.com. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for another great video coming up next.